Hello everyone, welcome to Astro Science, and today I'm back again with yet another new video. And in this video I will discuss the monthly horoscope for the month of June 2021 for the sign of Cancer. And as usual, if you are new to this channel, tap onto the subscribe button, click onto the notification bell icon so that every time I make a new video you get notified instantly. And now let us start the monthly video for the monthly horoscope video for the sign of Cancer for the month of June 2021. Let's see. For the Cancer people, I will say you that on your first house, on your Lagna, Mars will be transiting. You see here in the sign of Cancer, in the first house, Mars is getting debilitated, and Cancer sign is inherently a very emotional sign. And when Mars is transiting through your Lagna, it is not only making you much more energetic, much more action oriented, but still you feel that since it is getting debilitated, here Mars is unable to put through your actions, put through your how to react and act in front of the situations in your life. So here this can lead to some kind of angry disposition, this can lead to loss of temperament, loss of patience. Means specifically when Mars will be aspecting your 7th house, 4th house, 8th house, there can be lots of problems related to your family happiness, regarding your marital happiness, and specifically any kind of problems can be seen with your in-laws also. So be very careful regarding this transit when Mars is transiting through your first house. In your 12th house, Venus will be transiting. You see, transit of Venus through the 12th house is normally considered very good, because here Venus will give you all sorts of comforts, pleasures in your life. It can also lead to bring some kind of expenditures related to your conveniences and comforts. If it is not utmost necessary, then you can check those expenses, but otherwise it will actually ask you to spend some money, spend some wealth in related to your comforts and luxury. Otherwise I will say you that this Venus can actually show lots of comforts in your life and luxury, specifically when it is transiting through your 12th house. Now you see, Venus is also your 4th lord. Venus is also your 4th lord. I will say you that 4th lord going into the 12th house normally considered not very good. 4th house is the house of happiness, 12th house is the house of loss. Now this can also signify that your happiness index, specifically at your home, can decrease. It may happen that if you are staying alone, it may happen that if you are staying at a far away place, then you may feel much more good. Specifically when you are connected to some foreign people, when you are connected to some foreign places or far away places, you will feel much more good. Or it can also signify that there is some incoming of gains, incoming of wealth from the foreign places. This time your 11th house is very strong. Your 11th house is going to be very prominent, specifically when Sun, Rahu and Mercury is transiting. Although Mercury is getting retrograde, so that can be another scenario. Otherwise your 11th house is going to be very strong during this transit. You see, here Sun will actually give you all sorts of gains. Now the gains through health also, because Sun is the significator of your overall health and it is the house of gains, so it will actually improve your health. It will actually bring you to any kind of favor or any kind of gains or promotions at your job. Specifically, suppose if you are connected to your any government job or any kind of job where you are at any high position or something like that, then that can bring some good results for you, specifically when Sun is transiting through this 11th house, because on 15th of June Sun will change the sign, it will enter the 12th house. Okay, so till it is in the 11th house, it will give the good results. In the 11th house, Rahu is also transiting. So you see, Rahu is very expert in manipulation. Rahu is very expert in making the networks. So it will give you the gains from various sources through your network circles. It will try to make you much more manipulative, specifically when you are spending some time with your friends. So you see, Rahul is also the illusion. So be careful regarding any friend who can cheat you. And I will say you at the same time, don't cheat anyone, because when you are cheating someone, then you are asking for the result. Okay, you are building up some karma, so be careful regarding that. And again at the same time, be careful regarding any kind of communication which you are making with someone, with your network circle, because don't forget, Mercury is getting retrograde over here. And when Mercury transits through the 11th house, it normally brings lots of gains, because in today's day and age, Mercury rules over multiple things. Mercury is also the significator of multiplicity. It multiplies the things where it sits, wherever it amplifies the things, it multiplies. Okay, so it will actually try to give you gains from multiple sources. But again, I will say you that your communications with your elder sibling, with your friends, with your network circles, Mercury is also the significator of mass communication, okay, journalism. So whatever you say, whatever you speak, whatever how you communicate, be very careful regarding that. Otherwise this transit is going to be very good one. And specifically after 22nd of June, when Mercury will become direct, that time it will definitely bring some good results for you. In your 8th house, Jupiter is transiting in the sign of Aquarius, and here Jupiter will definitely bring some good result regarding your occult, regarding your spiritual practices, spiritual life. Specifically, it is also the house of longevity of marriage, the marital life. So it will definitely bring some good results as far as your marital life is concerned, your relationship with your in-laws is concerned. Jupiter will aspect your 2nd house of wealth, family, and values and morals. It will try to bring some kind of good savings in your life, good wealth, investment, good relationship with your family, some family bonding is seen, okay, during this transit. And at the same time, Jupiter will also aspect your 4th house of happiness, your home, homely environment. Jupiter will also aspect your 12th house of spirituality, mysticism, you know, when Venus is sitting over there. So Jupiter will expand the significance of Venus over there, where Venus is transiting. So this transit of Jupiter will be beneficial for you, specifically looking into the fact that other things, specifically when Sun will move into the 12th house. Sun will move into the 12th house after 15th of June. So Sun will get the aspect of Jupiter, which is a benefic one. In your 7th house, Saturn will be transiting in the retrograde motion. You see, Saturn will be in direct opposition to Mars. So lots and lots of commitment, discipline is actually asked by Saturn during this transit. Your commitment, your focus, discipline towards your spouse, towards your marital life has to be 100%. It should not lack something, because if it lacks something, then it will create lots and lots of problems. Okay, and another thing I will say you that if you follow these commitment and discipline in your life, specifically when Saturn is retrograde, these 140 days, then it will actually bring some happy days in your marital life. So these are the things which we can actually understand when the planets are transiting in this sign, in their those respective signs, in the month of June for the people of Cancer. So as you have seen that what are the general predictions which can be seen for the month of June 2021 for the Cancer peoples. And if you have liked this video, click onto the like button, share it to your near and dear ones whom you really feel that who really need to watch this video. Your comments are always welcome to me. Your precious opinions and queries, please write it down in the comment box. And yes, anytime if you feel that you need a consultation from me, then check the links in the description section. So that's it from my side. Thanking you. Signing off for today. Bye bye.